Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're creating 4 incredible ice cream recipes inspired by our local flavors. If you've been craving rich, creamy, delicious ice cream, but want it fast, healthy, and dairy-free, this video is for you. We've got salted caramel, chunky monkey, orange Julius, and Mocha Coffee. These are creamy enough to eat like soft serve or pop them in the freezer for that classic scoopable texture. The secret to creamy ice cream? Perfect frozen bananas. Here's how to prep them for that ultimate texture. First up, a salted caramel ice cream that's rich, decadent, and totally vegan. We're making the vegan caramel from scratch, so to start off, we need to soak some dates. Don't worry, it's easy. But I'd add a little more milk. Probably just splash more, maybe like a tablespoon. Do it a tablespoon at a time so that you don't make it too loose, you know. Now that the caramel's done, I can make the ice cream. Next, we're going bananas for this chunky monkey ice cream. This one's a classic. The peanut butter gives us plant-based protein and healthy fats. Walnuts are amazing for brain health, and the dark chocolate has an antioxidant and can boost your mood. This is comfort food at its finest. Get ready for a citrus burst with our orange Julius ice cream. For our orange Julius ice cream, we're going to be using real fresh oranges, so I'm going to show you an easy way how to segment them. This takes a second, but it makes a big difference in flavor and texture. No pith, no bitterness, just sweet orange sunshine. This flavor is so refreshing. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, and that nut milk adds a creamy balance. It's perfect for a hot day. Coffee lovers, this one's for you. Our Mocha Coffee ice cream is the perfect pick-me-up. This one is bold and deep. Cacao is rich in magnesium and antioxidants. It boosts mood and supports heart health. The espresso adds a little kick to help power you through your day or your dessert cravings. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future recipes. And if you want to go even deeper with me on this plant-based journey, then go and join my Buy Me a Coffee membership where you'll get exclusive perks, half off on all my recipe cookbooks, and so much more. Thanks for spending time with me today, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.